Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can create After Effects like text in CapCut. So let's get started. First, what you're going to be doing is from your text layer above your screen, simply drag and drop some text onto your screen, and then you're going to be applying an effect on top of it. You can add any effect, but we're going to be applying, like for example, this glowing effect, and after that we need to head over to animation. But before that, you can set the font style as well from this font section. So you can see we can choose any of these fonts. Let's say we choose this one, and after that what we are going to be doing is head over to animation from the top and select an animation which is blur to right. So here, as you can see, we have this animation blur to right, and we are going to be using this. Simply click on that and you can see now we have the text. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.